Hello and welcome to Initial Solution. In today's tutorial, we are diving into the basics of Skype. Skype connects people around the world through video and voice calls. So let's get started. If you don't have Skype installed, head to the Skype website, open your web browser, search for Skype, download and install the Skype application on your computer. Once downloaded, open the Skype app and sign in with your Microsoft account. The main section of the interface is the contact list. Here you will see a list of contacts and you can organize them into groups. You can search for contacts, see their status, and initiate calls or chats directly from this area. To connect with friends and family on Skype, you will need to add contacts. Click on the Contact tab and choose New Contact. Enter their Skype username or email address and send a contact request. When you click on a contact or group in the contact list, the chat section will appear. This is where you can send and receive text message, share files and view multimedia content. Emojis and stickers are often available for expressing emotions. To make a call, click on the contact you want to call and then press the video or phone icon, depending on whether you want a video or voice call. Initiating a call opens the call section. For video calls, you will see the video feed of the person you are calling, and for voice calls, you will see their profile picture. During a call, buttons for muting, turning on or off video, and sharing screens are accessible. Your own profile picture and status are typically visible in the corner of the interface. You can update your status to indicate whether you are available, away, or busy. If you want to, you can change your Skype username. To change your Skype username, click on this profile icon, then select Skype profile. Click on it and you should be able to edit and change your name. Type in the new name you want to use on Skype. After entering your new name, click here. So there you go. Lastly, we have notifications, including missed calls or new message, are often displayed in a notification panel. Clicking on notification takes you directly to the relevant conversation. Skype allows you to share your screen during a call. Select Share Screen to show your screen to others. And there you have it. You have learned the basics of using Skype. That's it. Hope you found this tutorial helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Initial Solution. Graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing and web development. Elevate your brand with Zero Shop today. For more details, check the description box.